Okay, y'all, so your girl has been in the house all freaking week. I have not been outside. The closest I've been outside is to the front door and on the porch. So I am looking outside right now. I'm gonna go and try to clean off my car. Hubby car is still covered in ice. Mine is still covered in ice. The truck, he managed to get the truck out. So that's the only vehicle that has been cleaned off. So I'm gonna go out here and try to clean my car off. And I'm gonna use this solution, alcohol, water, and dish soap for my windshield. We gonna see if this works, y'all. But y'all got on my flannel pants. I'm gonna put on my little sweatsuit. And I got my boots. So stay tuned. Okay, so they say use 1 pot water, 1 pot alcohol. Put it in here. Put water. I'll do a little bit. Water. There's dish detergent. I'm about to see if this works out. So bright you can't even see. Get ready to go out. First time out the house since what, Friday, babe? Yeah. So I'm gonna get out here and I'm gonna try to get all this ice and stuff off my car. Got my little solution. Put on my little wool cap. Think I'll be warm, babe?
Jacket, right?
Yeah, I'm wearing a jacket. Some on my head.
Yeah, it should be.
Yeah, I think I'll be warm. I'm probably have to put on some glasses because the sun is like beaming. The light from off the snow. Alright? Then I'm gonna go with my scarf, my wool scarf. Go around the neck because you gotta protect the neck. Protect the neck. Okay? So what I need to get, babe? I need the dustpan. Just trying to get the ice off the car, off the shed. Well, I'm talking about once I spray the solution. Oh, we got the scraper? Where's the scraper? Alright, y'all, so I didn't really want to put on a real big coat because this coat is nice and warm. Got it from a TikTok shop, by the way. But anywho, so yeah, so I'm gonna go out there and try to tackle this ice on my windshield, and yeah. Wish me luck. This is what is around my vehicle. Let me get my let me get this damn shovel. Let me bust my ass. Alright, y'all. So this is everything that is around vehicle, car. What's it? This is the driveway. Heavy truck. This is the truck spot right here, so that's why. But other than that, I can't get out, y'all. I can't get out. Because who the fuck is shoveling this ice? Who the fuck is shoveling this ice? I can't get out. I'm gonna have to drive the truck to get out. Is anybody in front of my car sitting low? It's gonna hit that. Yeah, no. See, the truck ride over all of that. So yeah. But I did get able to clean off my car. Clean off hubby car a little bit. At least the windshield. Use this little solution right here for the windshield. It works. Oh, it's nice. Yeah, this is all freaking ice. This is ice. This is freaking ice, y'all. Ice. I said I got the Chevy. Yeah, it's fucking ice.